Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be talking about how to tab multiple lines in Visual Studio Code. So first of all guys, for those who want this software to be in their PC, you can just get it from your browser. Go ahead and open your browser, whatever browser, and then go to the URL section. Over here, click and search for Visual Studio Code. After that, you can click on this first website to check it, and if you want just to install it, you can just click on download from here and it will start installing directly. After that, all you need to do is pick some languages that you want to start developing with or scripting with, and then you just have to create an account and you will be ready to use the software. Now, how you can actually type multiple lines in your Visual Studio Code. So, if I want something like that, I type here, for example, a text. So, hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. So, this is a line. So, let me just repeat this line multiple times, and let's see how we can actually let's remove this. Okay, here we go. And let's see how we can actually tab it. So there is actually multiple ways to tab it, but the tab is one thing. So first of all, the tab is the space that comes like in here. So there is a space that is like so, which is a small space, and there is a tab. The tab is basically a big space. So this is the amount of spacing that you will get after tabbing. So basically, how can you do that in multiple lines instead of like one line? You can do it basically with selecting multiple lines. You can just go, for example, here and select everything and then click on tab. And as you can see, here it goes and it started tabbing. You can make it back, so you can do the same thing. So if I go for 2 lines, for example, I can tab 2 lines as well. If you wanted to make it in 3 lines, you can do it to 3 lines, and so go on. So you can do it as much as you like. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually tab multiple lines in Visual Studio Code. I hope you learned something from this video, guys. And if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. And see you guys in the next tutorial.